Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Types of plans, very important, because while implementing the plans, while executing the plans, most of the committee members, expertise who prepared this plan, they may commit some mistakes. They may ignore few things. For example, planning is over, implementation they are focusing, but at the same time they need to focus on different aspects like where is the company, and where is the production, and where is the customer, and is it reachable or not, company policies and everything, does it suits to the customer, not is he satisfied or not, like minor things also they have to consider. Everything they cannot concentrate, everything they cannot implement it, because the planning execution is always by the execution, and also the planning preparation process, everything by the top management. If lower level management, middle level management is also included, these kind of minor mistakes we can avoid it. Would you agree? That is the main reason we must know the types of planning. Different types of planning is there. If we focus on that, then we won't be forgetting anything, we won't be committing any mistake, and we won't be ignoring any kind of minor things also. So that's the importance of types of planning. Planning, the base of planning is on four types. Four types of planning is there, very easy to understand. Just focus. Four types of planning is there. The first planning is on the basis of time. Based on the time, based on the time, we have three types of planning. Second one is on the basis of management level. Management level, did you remember how many levels are there? Yes, three levels: top level, middle level, lower level, based on the managerial levels. This is second type of planning. Third one is on the basis of broadness, how much it is big, based on the broadness, and on the basis of use, the usage of the plan, based on that. Here we have two plans only, but on the first one, time and managerial level, three plans are there. 3 3 6 2 2 4, 6 plus 4, only 10 plans. Very easy to remember. Now let's focus on the basis of time. On the basis of time, we have three plans: long term plans, medium term, say along with me, long term plans, medium term plans, and short term plans. Long term plans means the planning is for long period. How long? The long period. Long period means the period will be more than 3 years, above 3, more than 3 years. We say it as a long term plan. Long term we are planning. And second one is medium term planning. Medium term planning means this is below 3 years and 1 and above. 1 to 3 years, you can say. 1 to 3 years. In between that period, whenever you are planning anything, so that is, we say it as a medium term planning. Next, short term plans. Short term plans means already we have covered 1 year and 1 year above. Short term means below 1 year. Below 1 year. Maybe 6 months, 3 months, 9 months, of any months, but below 1 year plan, that we say it as a short term plan. We have to prepare different types of planning. Long term plan. Long term plan will be different. Medium term, short term. Short term is present market will focus. Present customer choice will focus. Present price policy will focus it. So like different types of planning we can prepare it. Who will prepare this long term plans? Long term plan means more than 3 years. Means pakka plans, strong plans. Who will prepare? Always top level management will prepare this. Who are the top level management? Tell me. Board of directors, managing directors, company executive members, okay, board members. These people, they execute this long term plan because it is long term. And medium term plans. Medium term plans, always middle level management will be preparing this. Who are the middle level management? Department heads, most of the time. Department heads in the sense purchase department, sales department, finance department, HR department, production department. like different department heads, they call them, they are going to prepare this medium term plan. Next one, short term plans. Short term plans means below the management, department manager, means most of the time supervisors will be preparing this short term plans. Okay, like three according to the time: long term, medium term, and short term. Easy. More than 3 years, 1 to 3 years, below 1 year. Understood, by hearted. Second one, on the basis of managerial levels. Based on the managerial levels, who are the managerial levels? As I told you, top level, medium level, and lower level, the same one. Top level plans, these plans are prepared by the top level management. Who are the top level management? Just now I told you: board of directors, managing directors, all the board members, executive members, those people, they'll be preparing top level plans. Very important plans, and these are the main key factors of every organization. Middle level manage plans. Middle level plans generally this is prepared by the department heads, as I told you: purchase department, sales department, the production department, HR department, so and finance department, like different departments they'll be preparing. Because top level management may not be having knowledge about the departments, only department heads are having knowledge in their department. So they have that liberty to prepare plans according to their department and requirement, and whatever necessary action is required. So that is why middle level plans also we have to prepare. And also lower level means supervisors, who are handling the foreman and labor. So these people are having a keen knowledge and depth knowledge about minor problems of the organization. This kind of identifying the problems and identifying the minor things may not be having the knowledge of middle level or top level management. That is the reason we have to focus even on the lower level plans also: top level, medium level, and lower level, according to the managerial levels. Clear? Time, managerial level. Now let's focus on the third one, on the basis of broadness. According to the implementation, only two plans are there according to the broadness: corporate level plans. Corporate level plans means this is for the whole sum of the organization. This is for the entire organization. Suppose the organization is here, this is ABC organization. For entire organization, if I am preparing one plan, that is we say it as a corporate level plan. This is for the entire organization. Second one is department level plans. This plan is for the corporate level plan is for the entire organization. Second one, department level. Department, here there are many departments, like department say one, department 2, department 3, like different departments are there. But department wise we can prepare some plans. For entire organization one plan is there. Department wise, because department wise different problems you'll find, different problems, different situations, different strategies to exceed minor problems also. So that is why. Who are the departments? As I told you: finance, HR, marketing, and production department, and also stores department. Like different department wise also there are different plans. Corporate level for entire organization, department level, department wise we have some plans. That's based on the broadness. Last one is on the basis of use. On the basis of usage, based on the usage, we have two plans. One is multiple or standing plans. Multiple, the meaning itself is saying these plans we can use it many times. Multiple times we can use it. This we are saying is as a standing plans also. Standing means these are the standard. So standard plans. So multiple, many times we can use it. Once I have implemented, once again I can use it. Many times I can use it. And many departments also this is going to be implemented multiple times. But you have to be very careful whenever you are preparing this multiple plans. You have to consider various aspects: objectives, implementation, and execution. And also you must know the pros and cons of various aspects, because we are going to execute it many times, multiple times. That is why need to be very careful. Second one is single use plans. Only one time we can implement it. According to the present situation, I have prepared one plan. That plan I have to implement right now only. Once again, I cannot implement it. Once again, I cannot use it. So that is single use. Whereas this one, many times we can implement it. Am I clear about use? Let me give you a glance of these types of planning. Very simple. One is based on the time. Time means long term, medium time, and short term. Time I told you about 3 years is long term, and 1 to 3 years is medium, and below 1 year is below 1 year is short term. And on the basis of managerial levels, top level, middle level, and lower level management. On the basis of broadness, only two are there: corporate level and department level. Corporate level means I told you it's for the entire organization, implementing for the entire organization. Department means department wise. And on the basis of use, one is multiple or standing plans, means many times we can use it, whereas single use plans only one time we can use it. Am I clear about this concept? Very easy to understand and remember. Only headings to remember, automatically these side headings you can recollect it. Hope the talk is useful. Stay connected and don't forget to share this video. Good luck.